Hebei Messi Biological Ltd stated that high-purity nano-magnesium oxide will be added to microwave dielectric ceramics to improve their electrical properties. Magnesium oxide has a high dielectric constant, so it can store electrical energy more effectively than other materials. When magnesium oxide is added to ceramic materials, it increases the overall dielectric constant of the material, thereby improving its ability to store and transmit electrical energy within a certain range. As the magnesium oxide content increases, the dielectric constant will gradually increase. But when the magnesium oxide content exceeds a certain range, the dielectric constant will gradually decrease. In addition to improving electrical performance, magnesium oxide also helps to control the sintering process. Sintering is the process of heating ceramic materials to high temperatures and then cooling them into solids. Magnesium oxide controls the sintering process by reducing the sintering temperature of ceramic materials. It reduces the energy required for the sintering process, making it more energy efficient. In addition, magnesium oxide can improve the strength and durability of finished ceramic objects by helping to control the grain size of the material during the sintering process. In summary, adding appropriate magnesium oxide to microwave dielectric ceramics can improve their electrical properties and control the sintering process, resulting in more energy efficient and durable ceramic products.